Welcome to the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette, a bold evolution of American performance engineering.
With its aggressive stance, sculpted lines, and mid-engine layout, the Corvette now looks every bit the supercar it was always meant to be. Up front, sleek LED headlights and a redesigned grille give it an unmistakable presence, while the rear features quad exhaust and a wide, athletic profile that demands attention. Under the glass engine cover lies a 6.2-liter V8 producing 500 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 time in just under 3 seconds. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and precise control. Inside, the Corvette's cockpit is built around the driver. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, a 12-inch digital display, and an intuitive center console create a high-tech yet focused environment. Everything you touch is engineered for performance and comfort. Whether you're at the track or on city streets, the 2025 Corvette offers the perfect balance between raw power and refined design.
This isn't just a new Corvette. It's a revolution in American automotive design.